I'm Jane Esselstyn.
I'm Ann Esselstyn.
And we are talking about the very, very last recipe in our Prevent and Reverse Heart Disease cookbook today, and it is called Banana Soft Serve.
And guess what? It is the only dessert that you need to even think about eating because it's got a million variations and it is so healthy for you because there is only one ingredient.
Well, we're going to add a few more ingredients today just for fun. But it's on the last page if you're following, page 264. Nothing really to follow, but bananas. This is a Yonanas machine, and this is awesome. This is actually a called an Elite or something. It's a little bigger than the household one, but we love these things. Get these things if you want. Actually, there's a link on our store. A link on our store on my website, and if you want to get it from there, you can, and just you type in the code Jane, you get a discount. Anyway, let's show you how it works. You start by freezing
bananas, and they should be nice.
Leopard spotted is how they say.
And they can almost be black.
Yeah, they can be, as long as they hold together a little bit of shape. And you put them in your freezer with the skin removed. This is the most significant part of this recipe.
This is the hardest part of the recipe.
This is the hardest part. Oh, that was so hard. And I put mine in a plastic bag, and I put them in the freezer. And to show you how often I do this, this is a sack of frozen bananas. I got it out to make these today. So those are all going to go back in the freezer as soon as possible.
And I usually put my bananas in a big
Tupperware
thing. But
it just takes up too much space. So here's the chute. It's going to make a little noise. So I'm going to first explain to you. You just put the banana in the chute, and it comes out soft serve. Not like you'd put it in a high-speed blender and you make sort of banana soup. This is soft serve like Dairy Queen. The first banana that goes through is kind of chippy, but then the second, third, fourth, the rest is great. What we have here are some frozen raspberry, frozen cherry, and frozen mango to add to the flavor of the banana, which is the base of the ice cream. Here we go. First one's a little chippy, but then it gets to be like soft serve. In it goes. Oh, ants!
What's fun about this is that 3-year-olds can do it. And if you wait, these bananas are really, really frozen hard. But if you give it a few minutes and they just begin to soften.
Okay, now we add. We're going to add some cherries to the mango, to the banana, and it'll start to come out red. Oh, look, it's already red. And now we're going to add some mango to get a little bit of that flavor. And then more of the banana, and then we're going to add some raspberries. Look at these beautiful colors and flavors. My raspberries are in pieces. Oh, I need another banana. From the frozen stash. Look at this iceberg of bananas. We're trying to, there you go. I got some. These are really frozen still. Look how beautiful that is. All right, we've got a lot.
You do need to freeze whatever fruit you add first.
Okay.
One of my husband's patients' favorite thing is to do this with a combination of all the berries, but also I think there's something you can buy that has some pineapple and mango in it. If you just do the berries, it oddly isn't really sweet enough. So mango or banana.
Okay, we're going to try this. All right. Here, Wade. Look at it. This is like ice cream. Look at that. Just see how it holds. Try that. That's a little bit of raspberry, I think. Here. Can we give it a try? Oh, stink plug flew in. It's just like ice cream. It's just has that creamy flavor. It doesn't feel icy and chippy. It's just,
It is amazingly creamy. A little bit scarily creamy.
I know. Whenever we make this at events, people say, so what's in here? We're like, well, we told you it's just bananas. But no, but what's in here? It's just bananas. And these amazing teeth on this machine.
One of the fun things to put on is to put a little chocolate balsamic.
I'm going to show the teeth of the machine because this is what makes it so creamy is this right here. This is what does it, and this is how you clean it, and this is the best part. Look at that. Those teeth are what make this so creamy. And I've never had so much wonderful raspberry in mine. Okay, we're going to have fun licking this up and cleaning this up. So go make your Yonanas. Oh, you're
And
putting
I'm going to put just a little chocolate balsamic on top of this.
Oh, Acid Queen has a little vinegar on her ice cream. All right. Well, cheers. Go
Cheers.
Yonanas. Go Yonanas.
Yonanas.
Yo, Yonanas. Go
Yonanas.
Yeah. Bye.